Okay. Why stunting you? Okay.
Shut the mask up.
We made it.
Wow.
It's been like since Christmas. That's the last time we was here.
What?
Yes. We can come here in all January, February, March, or April. Jay got birds growing in his patio.
Can't even get on patio because the birds taking over.
Mate, imagine us. We looking at the thing and that thing flew straight across all three of our heads, bro. And it kind of like screamed at us, like ah! I was like, what the heck? They thought it was a bat. I'm like, that's not a bat. That's how like aggressive it was. Look how cute that is. I like the gold legs specifically.
No legs.
$150. It's the same price as my table. They need to take at least $70 off of that. Clearance.
Really not bad. It'd be nice to redo my, kind of just, fancy out my little music area right there,
Yeah, have a little side little.
Right now it's my small business area, but it'd be nice to
zhuzh it up.
Yeah, have my little worship area.
You remember this Chase chair that I wanted oh so desperately? That one over there. I'll never forget it. This thing is $320 and look how small. Where's it gonna fit in there?
It's so nice though,
It's cute. I would still get it though. But when I have money that just, is not affecting me, that's when I would get it.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, this will go in my beauty room. This is the perfect size for a beauty room. Oh yeah, I remember I wanted this too. I remember wanting this. $2.99. Y'all still need to take a good $200 off of that. That's why it's still here. It's cute though. It's real dope. Now that I would put in my beauty room right now if I had it.
Oh yeah?
And
Black,
yeah, because my vanity's black.
Tripping. I need $40 for it.
Yeah, I would buy it too, even if it's chipped, but
Yeah, because I can fix that easily.
back a little
Oh,
bit.
you go. You just this jig got going on. Oh man, this jig here.
Yeah. Come on, man.
Yeah.
That is me. Bro, this is you know what this is? This is my vanity chair. My computer,
That's your vanity chair?
Computer chair, stay by my computer. This is where I'm doing my makeup.
That's what?
And then the black and gold thing. That's crazy. In colors in my room.
Oh, it might be time. How much is that? It might be time to switch this up, yeah.
$80. This not on clearance? They gotta be on clearance. It's over here.
I don't see it, but
Red marker.
I think it's worth any.
Red marker.
I think it's worth any.
No, I'm getting this for sure, sir. But hey, I'm gonna say, you know what? Even if it's not on clearance, I see a couple scratches. Which is look. Oh yeah.
Gum all on it? Oh man, y'all tripping.
Hey, I'm getting it, but they gonna give me something else. Ain't no way.
You can talk to her about it for sure.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
See if you can ask a deal about that about the black and gold thing.
Oh, I will. Oh, this too, but this thing. Oh, hell no, my booty will break that. Look, it's already bent.
Bro, what is going on with this store right now?
Yeah, broken stuff, gummy stuff. Like, what y'all doing, bro? Dust. Ew, that thing was in my mouth. Got gum on it, a couple scratches.
What you think about these, right here?
They're cute, but not for me.
No?
We had a nice, like. That's a cute little table. It's a nice chair, but it's just too white. That's a cute table.
It is.
You should get that. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Like this?
Yes, that's so cute. I don't need it, but it's freaking cute. Oh no, that thing flimsy as heck. That thing need to be $80.
In the crack right there.
Even if, you see how it's just easy to shake like that? You can't put no weight on that. My computer will fall. Gadi salupsa. Gadi.
Good do you think I mean?
Okay, bye. Anyway, what the heck wrong with him? Look, God daily. So fella. So fella. Okay, bye. This boy's covering himself with a freaking rug. Bye. You got time? Bro, yes. See y'all in a second. Because I don't want to. Oh my God.
First eye you want to look at it.
Look at this.
That's nice. How much is it?
$10?
Let's get it.
Yeah?
I'll get 2 of them. I'll take 2.
For Berry, and it's red. Oh gosh, this is so amazing. You know what this is? Do you know what this is? Just put wine in.
Really?
Yes, it's a wine glass. Like a wine jar.
Oh.
It's so elegant, like, oh my god.
Is it?
Yes, bro. Show you what I got so far. You already seen this. Organizer. Look at this cute, what is it called? Fruit basket. Ain't that dope? Oh, it looks so nice on camera. I'm gonna try to find, if it's a reasonable price, the little thing that I want for the sitting area. The candle. Burlington. Ooh, I don't mind this glass coating.
Don't mind it at all, actually.
Ooh, it's just the color. Too dark.
What you're looking for?
Oh yeah. Oh,
It is
that's
what you
cute.
And it's not too big.
It's not too big. That way I can still have the plant on the side. I think that's it. That's it. Because the thing, the overhead light, it's gonna look good with that. And it's glossy. Ah! I found it. Look at it. Oh, that is perfect. I like the gray on the. I love this a lot. It's so. Oh, $60. Not bad. Oh, that gloss is the gloss for me. That's perfect. Oh, that's gonna go great. That's dope. It's the gloss that really just it make it look more like I didn't get it from Burlington. Like, you know, like those. Like this looks more like an art gallery type. Like, look at it. Like it's in an art gallery still. That's the vibe I'm getting. Like it's still in the gallery. This is perfect. I love it so much. Dang, babe. Thank you so much for seeing that. Thank you so much for finding that. That's absolutely the perfect.
That's the one.
And you see that tiny bits of gold. Oh, so excited. I'm so excited. The world's best candle right here.
The world's best. Oh, you put a lot on it.
Listen, babe. That thing is so. You know what? Mine is. It just smells so.
You know, smell the little one right here. See if it's the same thing.
It is.
It's the same thing. It's in little form. Do one more. This one's actually a little cuter, but.
Yeah, but I need that big.
Same thing.
Same thing.
Oh man.
This is $7.99. The bigger ones are $14. But I understand why. It's a lot of them.
What's that one?
Meditate.
Meditate.
Give me leaf vibes. This is called Renew. I could dig this.
Let me see.
This is good after cleaning.
Let me check it. Oh.
After cleaning your house.
Wow.
I'll really bring it out.
Not bad. What's it go?
One wine? Absolutely.
Oh my god.
You thought I was going to leave that?
I thought you was a captain jet.
No, I had to get at least one.
I'll take it back.
Oh. Thank you. Ooh-wee, that was a great time at home. I love that store so very much. See you guys later. Subscribe to his channel. And you need to get back vlogging. People miss you. Highly recommend.
Highly recommend.
Hashtag highly recommend. Go teams. Hey guys. So I'm about to show you guys officially everything I got from at home. Hair gets done tomorrow. Finally get my faux locks. First things first, we got these cute, what are these called? Iridescent wine glasses. It's gonna go perfectly right here in the bar. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put them there now. I did find a wine cooler on Facebook Marketplace. I'm just waiting for the perfect day to go pick it up. I'll probably go pick it up after my hair appointment tomorrow. I found one for $130, I believe. So this is a picture of the wine cooler that I am trying to get. Super cute, right? Like, I could definitely imagine that right there. It will look so nice. It will be a nice focal point in the living room area. Cool, and it lights up perfectly. It'll go right here in the middle, and then I'll have my wine glasses and stuff here, and then my other liquors and stuff over there. So we're gonna move the printer's ruby candle, my birthstone. It smells super good. It's super strong, but it's perfect for like while you're cleaning up. So that's that, or I might use it over here. Yes, I'm gonna use it over there for decoration. How cute. I put it on top of this lamp, because I'm not gonna really put a light bulb in there. That is cute. Yes. Oh, I just love when I can just like create things. Like, I love it. And then I got my new favorite, unwind. Super yummy. Oh, this is going in my bedroom for sure. Okay, then we have this one. This is cranberry and cedarwood. This one smells good as well. Got this clear organizer for my beauty products. And then, of course, here is my basket for my fruits. It just brings everything together.
Oh my God.
Yeah, Friday night we're gonna go eat some tacos. I'm waiting for him. I'll see y'all.